Hello, this is Sarah Berry, and I'm recording a screencast for the Web 2.0 tool titled PhotoPeach. Now, the application that I'm using for this screencast is available in the Windows Store for Windows tablets, and I have a Windows Surface. The images that I'm going to show you that I'll use in my screencast were recorded from a built-in application on Windows tablets called Step Recorder. So I unfortunately won't be able to show you the actual product that I made on PhotoPeach, but I'll be able to show you a series of photos that sort of capture the main idea. So PhotoPeach is a website that has an educational version, which is excellent for students and safety online. And the purpose of PhotoPeach is to create slideshows using uploaded photographs. So these could be images that you take from a folder, or they could be images that you actually take with your camera. PhotoPeach is excellent for projects. You can use it, as we discussed, for storytelling assignments or ways to show students' comprehension of information. The PhotoPeach slideshow that I've created follows the MSDE standards for foreign languages, the Communication 1.2 standard that essentially states students understand the target language in spoken and written forms, Culture 2.1 standard, which says that students demonstrate knowledge and an understanding of another people's way of life, and Standard 5.2, personal enrichment, that students use the language for personal enjoyment and enrichment, which is always important when you're learning another language or anything in school, really. So the first step to creating a PhotoPeach is to type into your browser photopeach.com, which you can see I've done right here. So after doing that, this is what the homepage will look like. So on PhotoPeach's homepage, you would, down here it says PhotoPeach for Educators. So here you would then be able to download and purchase the educational version, which I have not done. I wasn't going to purchase it, I just used the free version of it. So you can sign up for free, or you can log in. So if we click sign up for free, we come to this. You get to first create your username. Then you would go on to type in your email, create a password, type in this fancy text here, and then click to sign up. It'll then send you a confirmation email, and then your account is created. So if you accidentally click that and instead you want to log in, you can log in right up here in the upper right hand corner. And again, you have the opportunity for PhotoPeach for Educators, but as I said before, you have to purchase that. So moving on, once you click login, this is what the screen will look like. So you would then enter your email or username, enter your password, and click login. So now that I've logged in, you can see it says Sarah Berry up here. That's my username, as that's my name. So you have a couple sub pages up here. So there's the home page. This is the home page. My shows, these would be slideshows that you've created, and Explore. This is the difference between PhotoPeach for Educators and PhotoPeach, the free version. So pretty much for Explore, you're able to look up any other slideshow that anyone has ever created on PhotoPeach. So that's why the educational version is important to have for schools. And then, so to start our slideshow, we're going to click Upload Photos, where it says Create New Slideshow from your computer or other services. Other services allows you to create a slideshow based on photos that you have from maybe social media applications or other sorts of programs. So when I click on that, it comes up with Pinterest, Flickr, and some other application I've never heard of or used. So we'll go ahead and click Upload Photos. And if you don't have a Windows computer, this is what the upload box looks like. Or sorry, a Windows tablet. This is the upload box. So here are the images that I have. I'm going to select each one of them and press open. So once I've done that and press open, well, okay, you can upload one photo at a time or you can upload numerous. So first we'll upload one. So here's one photo, press open, and this is what we'll get. It'll upload the image, and as you can see, the map is uploaded right here. And then you would click upload photos to upload more. Or you could click next on the bottom right to continue on to the next step, meaning these are all of the photos here that you would have. So this one would have just one in the slideshow. So we don't want to do that. We want to upload all of them. So going back to this image, we would select the rest of them and press open. So now we've got all of these images uploaded for our slideshow. And we can click them and hold it, drag, rearrange. We could slide it over here. You can rearrange them in any order you like. Or if you decide you don't want a photo, you could click it and then drag it over here to deleted items, and then it wouldn't be featured into your slideshow. You can also retrieve photos from Picasa if you've edited them, or you can retrieve them from Facebook. Obviously, this differs in the educational version because we don't want students or teachers really taking images off Facebook. So next, we've got them arranged the way we'd like them, and we press next, moving on to the next step. So here, right here, it says step 2, so you can make sure that you're on the right track. And this wants us to choose a title and select music. So right here is our slideshow title. This slideshow would essentially be used as an introductory unit for a research study of other countries. Obviously Spanish-speaking countries, because I'll eventually be a Spanish teacher. So for Spanish class, you would want the students researching Spanish-speaking countries. So here in the slideshow title, we would type in Costa Rica, países hispanohablantes, which means Spanish-speaking countries. Over here is interesting. This says description, use as captions, and then there is this little asterisk under here that says hit enter to separate each sentence to one slide. So the order of the pictures that we entered, if you want a caption for them, you then have to enter that information into this box all at once. So I've done that. I actually had to go back to the previous step to see how I had ordered the pictures in the slideshow, so I could make sure that each caption was in here correctly, in the correct order. So you see I've written my slideshow title. Oops, sorry. There's all my notations. Okay, so you can see I've written the slideshow title right here. Costa Rica, países hispanohablantes, and my captions are featured here. So next we can adjust the speed. So if you click on this down arrow, it'll come up with a drop-down menu, and you can make the pictures change faster, slower, however you'd like them to appear. So I selected slower so that the students could really get a good look at each individual photo. The next step is to select background music. Now there is an option on the main area of this. Let's see if we still have that in here. Yes, right here. So this is random is the main page, and right here it says no music. So you could check no music and move on if you wanted to. But I decided not to do that and decided to browse what PhotoPeach had to offer as far as music is concerned. So I selected search YouTube, and I typed in here Costa Rican music. So in this you can see that there's a long range of videos to search from, and I first selected landscapes and music of Costa Rica. I selected this one first. But there was too much background noise in the video, and you can see a preview of the video here. So I selected Costa Rica music and images. Now what's interesting about this is that I was a little concerned about this as there's no way to really give the music credit. But you'll see in a couple moments that this music video right here and the song that will play will actually be featured next to my slideshow that I've created. So once I'm finished, I click Finish, and my slideshow is going to begin. Right here is the YouTube video. You can see it's loading. And right here, it's giving the music video credit, which I think is an excellent idea. So here's my title. The video has begun, so you can start to hear the music, and each slide transitions into the next one. So, going back to this page, after you've previewed your video, if you want to edit it, there's this edit button up here. So I decided that I wanted to edit the subtitles, or the captions, I apologize. So here we've pressed edit, and now we're at the editing menu, and the titles were at the center, but I'm going to select bottom, and they will be moved down to the bottom. I can also edit the text here just by, you can see it selected, I've selected it, backspace, you could type something else. You can also adjust the speed right here of the slides in case you didn't like the speed that you had chosen before. You can add additional slides that are blank and you can add text to them. You can copy and make 2 of a slide, or you can delete a slide. So once you've come to this step, you have the option to preview. You can preview all the changes that you've made and then press OK in the upper right hand corner, or you can press cancel. So I've made these changes. I've put the caption now at the bottom, and after I press OK, this is how my slideshow is going to look. You can see that the YouTube video is playing over here, and now my captions are at the bottom. So I'm just going to show you the series of images that are in my slideshow. Here's the first one, Costa Rica, Países Hispanohablantes. The map, as I was presenting this to students, I would, show that Costa Rica is right here. The capital is San Jose. Moving on, La Clima is climate. This is the rainforest climate of Costa Rica. Beaches, La Playa Portero. Estación de la Lluvia is the rain season. And Plato Más Famoso is Gallo Pinto. So at the end of the slideshow, it will again give credit to the music and to my username, SarahBerry5, because I've produced the slideshow on PhotoPeach. So once you're finished, at the top I've clicked My Shows up here, and this is the only slideshow that I've created on PhotoPeach, and it is viewable right here.